Hi 10th class students, today we discuss the second problem, example 2, page number 247. See, all of you watch this problem. An oil drum is in the shape of a cylinder having the following dimensions. Diameter is 2 meters, height is 7 meters. The painter charges rupees 3 per meter square to paint the drum. Find the total charges to be paid to the painter for 10 drums. Here see, let us see. The problem is I have to draw a drum, cylindrical drum. In generally at our home, we had two types of water drums are available to us. One is cylindrical, the other one is cuboidal shape. At the top of the building, when we observe that one, the tanks are in these two shapes. And cube shape also it is available. Okay children, let us see. The diameter of the cylindrical drum is 2 meters. Height is 7 meters. Let us go through the solution. Diameter D is equal to 2 meters. Height, so radius, from this onwards radius find, that is D by 2 by 2, 1 meter, and the height of the cylinder is 7 meters. So you know radius and height. We need to paint all the drum. That means we need to find total surface area of the drum. So that find TSA of the drum is equal formula 2 pi r bracket r plus h. This is the total surface area of the cylindrical drum. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 1 into bracket 1 plus 7. That is 2 into 22 44 into 1 44 by 7 into 1 plus 7 is 8. When you multiply the both, 8 4s are 32, 3 is the remainder, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 3, 35 by 7. This much square meters. Here see, let us see, total surface area. Area is always in square meters. Let us now, cost of painting. Cost of painting per 1 meter square, rupees 3. When you paint the drum for 1 meter square is how much they take? Rupees 3. Therefore, TSA of the total cost of painting per 1 drum is equal rupees 3 into total surface area of the drum. Multiply that one, you get 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 1 remainder, 3 3s are 9, 10 by 7. And do cancellation here. 7 1 is 7, remainder is 3, 35, 7 5s are 35, 6 is there, not gone, 7 0 0, point keep, it becomes 60, 7 8s are 56, 4 is the remainder 40, 7 5s are 35. So, rupees 150.85. Cost of painting per 1 drum is 150 rupees 85 paise. How many drums are there in the problem? There are 10 such drums. Therefore, total cost of painting per 10 such drums is equal 10 into 150.85, it becomes rupees 1508.5, that is 50. This is the total cost of painting 10 such drums, children. Hold. Take a screenshot, children. Take a screenshot and write the classwork. Okay. Next we are going to discuss the second problem. Hi children. Now we are going to discuss the example 3 problem. A sphere, cylinder, cone. Sphere, cylinder and cone are of the same radius and same height. So here radius are equal. Here height are equal. Find the ratio of the curved surface area. Chala interesting ga untundandi, chuddam. Okay children. So radius and height of sphere, cylinder and cone are equal. This is given for us. So first of all find the CSA of sphere. CSA means nothing but total surface area only. There is no CSA and TSA of sphere. So totally surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of that one. Surface area of sphere. Next, here in the problem what is given? Find the ratio curved surface area. Okay. Now CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder formula 2 pi r h. 2 into pi into r into h equal to 1 times. Let us see here. This is height. This height is nothing but diameter of sphere. Height is nothing but diameter of sphere. But diameter equal to how much? 2r. So that h is equal to 2r. Why? Because height of the sphere, height of the cylinder are equal. Height of the sphere is nothing but diameter of the sphere. So diameter equal to 2r. So that h is equal to r. It finally 4 pi r square units. This one is also square units. And the CSA of the cone. CSA of cone formula, you know that pi r l formula already you know that. Square root of h square plus r square. Pi r into h value already here we substitute here. H is equal to r. So that 2r whole square plus r square. That is pi r into square root of 4r square plus r square. That is 5r square. Pi r into root 5r square. When we cancel this one, pi r into root 5 into r square means r will come. Finally, root 5 pi r square. Square units. Now we need to find ratio of CSA of the 3 objects. Ratio of CSA of sphere, cylinder and cone is equal to, how we need to write? Is equal to, first one CSA formula, first one 4 pi r square is 2. Next one 4 pi r square is 2. 5 root 5 pi r square. Pi r square once, pi r square once, pi r square once cancel. You get 4 is 2 root 5. This is the CSA of sphere, cylinder and cone. Children, one thing you have to keep in mind, Same problem it is given in a polytechnic examination previous year, but they are asking in direct order. They didn't ask. First they asked this one: cone, cylinder and sphere. Cone ratio is root 5. So at that time, what is the CSA of cone, cylinder and sphere? Root 5 is to 4 is to 4. That one keep in mind. కోన్ వచ్చింది కూడా రూట్ 5 వస్తుంది, మిగతా రెండు ఈక్వలే. కాబట్టి అది దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని రేపు రేషియో మార్చచ్చు. ఎట్లాగా? స్పియరు, కోను, సిలిండర్ అంటాడు. స్పియరు రేషియో ఆఫ్ సిఎస్ఏ ఆఫ్ స్పియరు, కోన్, సిలిండర్ మీన్స్ 4 is to root 5 is to 4. These like they are asking in a competitive examination. Okay children, this is the end of the class. Tomorrow we discuss more about this one. Bye children.